Welcome to Zisodel TV. Kindly subscribe, share, and like for latest updates and news. Iyalaje Festival 2022. Ooni plans big as Iyalaje Oodua hosts Economic Summit, Exhibition, Music Fiesta. All roads lead to the ancient city of Iyalaje, the source and ancestral home of the Yorubas, and the entire Oodua race worldwide, as the Ooni of Ife, Arole Oodua Olofin Adimula, Ooni Adeyeye Enitan Ogunwusi Ojaja II, will on Friday 25th February 2022 declare Iyalaje Heritage and Economic Summit open to kickstart this year's edition of the annual Global Iyalaje Festival. Ooni spokesman and chairman of the Iyalaje Festival Media Committee, Otuba Moses Olafare, made this known via a press release on Tuesday, explaining that Princess Dr. Toyin Kolade, the Iyalaje Oodua worldwide, who doubles as global ambassador of Iyalaje Festival, is leaving no stone unturned as she has been working assiduously coordinating the Iyalaje Festival Committee and all machineries put in place towards making the forthcoming festival the best of its kind.